और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Sarkar bapay ikatna tourism uba polling do uloong bag project Ropeway kabag Sarkar katmu ban Shna kala Sahkut no namar baladon Mudui Shah Ïing Bishar nakadaw jingpin khalam yigidiang kibawet nakabentaban pintelun yagani project uba pol loong bag Sarkar kala Ïing Shah Ïing Bishar baka kabagile kalong katkum ko jingo jingbet naka Ministry of Social Forestry, Forest and Environment mat kabag Sarkar kale kalong katkum ki kendon jongani ministry bar ukurmen ba hadian gani ke jingpin Shah ka Sarkar kala banya shakmat ban pintelun yakikam
project could not have been initiated on the ground without our obtaining all necessary permissions. In the case of trees being cut, this came as part of the clearance that was sought from the ministry and which we had obtained before actually starting work on the ground. So we have already briefed the High Court about this clearance, which we had obtained from the Ministry of Social Forestry, Forest and Environment, and whatever we have done so far have been totally in compliance with all existing laws and regulations. See, once we complete the Ropeway project and we are able to actually launch the project, you will see afforestation taking place. What we are doing right now is just to facilitate clearances where a certain height has to be achieved when we build the ropeways. Okay.
What is the progress of the project?
The project has been hindered by this court, the PIL. But today, since we have clarified to the High Court that we already have obtained permission from the ministry, therefore, work should pick up pace now.
Wat penleno yagani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka binta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra